Hey, this is Justin. How you doing? Also known as Madman. So, I am over here building a wonderful, well, I'm sure we know what this is. And if you don't, it's a Volkswagen big valve heads. Got it for a really good deal. But problem being is I am shaving these to take these out. I have new valves coming. And I would like to start this video off with I'm literally building a 1600. I got the 1641 kit. It's not very big. It's not what I really wanted to go with, but I had the headset all ready. So I'm like, I got to use it at some point. But the block that I'm using is a 211102, I believe. Pretty sure it is. I'm at my home headquarters right now, just doing some valve work, and in other words, it was the 211 block. I have a few of them. They have a little bit bigger ratios on some things. I'm still getting the gist of actually knowing the percents, the difference ranges and the different lobe cams, and I'm really just getting the hang of all this stuff, because I used to just kind of do it with my mind, but always just testing the lift and the push rods, but I'm just starting to get into it a little bit more. I've been doing Volkswagens for a long time, pretty much since I was 16. I'm about 39 now, so the only thing is I really, how do I say, we really only just rebuilt motors back to stock and got them running. Never really got into them so in depth, and it's a new age. People want them to go a little bit faster. They want to have that I'm getting over the next hill. So really just wanted to start making some videos, maybe get some ideas from some other people with some things to do. The one thing I definitely wanted to go with on this build was the roller rocker head setup. I just think that would be a really smooth setup. They're very expensive though, but hey, it's all part of it. But yeah, so I don't know, I'll probably just put this over here and let y'all see some of the methods I've got for taking things apart and or work. This is my first video, so bear with me. Like I said, I have brand new ones coming, so get right in there. This is ruining the valve guide, so I figured I'd just shave this out of here and get ready to move to the next. I had some parts to order tonight and some stuff like that. I've got a C35 cam. I was thinking about using, but I think it's got a hell of a lift to it, so it's free though. Hey. Right there on the back side, somewhere, maybe. Pretty sure. Yeah. C35. I believe that's a Scat 35 on some truck. Probably run the 111 rockers, but at the same time, I'm not exactly sure, because I really would like to get the setting on roller rockers. I really don't want to throw money around and not have it done to my liking. I've just always loved roller rockers and other motors that I have been a part of building. But Volkswagen is kind of the passion that I've always had, so trying to kind of just stick with that and maybe painting, the rest restoration work like I'm always done. I hear a lot of good stuff. Who is that? A YouTuber there, Willis. Oh my God. Jeezy, Weezy. My man. You got some good tips there, Jeezy. Weezy. And, you definitely got some good tips. My dad's he used to race, my father, so he's got some good ideas and thoughts and things as well. But this motor, I just wanted to build on my own. But I'm sure I'll have some of my dad's intact, because he is really smart. On the next coming up video, I've got the casing already cracked and all that. It's already been opened, and I've been on homebound for a week here, and it's not very fun for me to sit in one spot, but some medical issues going on, and some stupid shit. Yeah, so I was like, I would love to just start doing some YouTube. That heavy stuff. It's madman here to stop. Grinding, cutting them up. I'm sure I'll get some goofy people saying some goofy stuff, but hey, it's what it is. I don't really care what anybody's got to say about. Oh, yeah, yeah. Alright, so hopefully these, I know, the glasses are a little goofy, but they're old. They're from like the 1800s actually. 1887, I believe. I actually have the case for them too. It's metal. Pretty cool. I collect a lot of old stuff. Look at that. Slide right out. Beautiful. Wonderful. And yeah, so I don't know how long this video will be or how I even go about downloading yet, but I shall be all up on it. I'm going to start doing some port work on this, make it look a little bit, as you can tell from the factory, they're nope, that needs to flow. That's not going to flow, that's a step. It's like a step down or something. Like, hey, we're almost that big circumference, but yeah, at the same time, we're going to step you down so you go a little bit slower. But, yeah, so what I'll do is I'll probably get some of this stuff ready, set up my other tools and whatnot here, and I'll be back. Oops. Getting caught up here with my headgear. So, this is Madman over and out for right this moment.